Every great story has a beginning, and this one, oh, it's special. Imagine a young man filled with curiosity, a passion for technology, and a relentless drive to learn. That's Emmanuel, an IT student studying web development at the prestigious DevWorld Tech Academy, where dreams don't just stay dreams, they become reality. But how did it all start? What sparked his love for IT? And what has this incredible journey been like for him? Buckle up, because we're about to take you through an inspiring story of growth, discovery, and ambition. This is Emmanuel's IT journey.
My name is Emmanuel. Completed school way back 2020. I'm here to learn IT. Yeah. Looking at where the world is going now. So now literally everything is all about technology. So everything being technology, it sparks my interest really well. Yeah, that's why I want to be inside the tech world. I want, at the long-term run, from 5 years to come, I would like to see myself as a part of a company's success or be a successful person as an individual. Yeah, those are my plans and my aims.
My long-term goals are where I see myself as part of a company's success or a personally owned business. So when I talk about a company's success, maybe it's my skills, it's my input that made them come this far. So when they are mentioning that kind of group or that kind of company, I should see myself part of that team. Just like when we say, when I come out and ask, so where did you school? And I'll be like, DWTA.
Every expert was once a beginner. For Emmanuel, it all started with a deep curiosity about technology, how things worked, how websites were built, and how IT professionals seemed to bring ideas to life with just a few lines of code. But curiosity alone isn't enough. It takes the right environment to turn passion into skill. That's where DevWorld Tech Academy came in. From the moment Emmanuel discovered this school, he knew it was different. The hands-on learning, the supportive community, the real-world approach was exactly what he needed. And today, he knows he made the right choice.
What made me fall in love with IT was, remember way back in school, I used to help my teacher class. So sometimes you'd be like, oh, Emmanuel, I have an assignment and I want you to help me with the typing. Because in the class, like I was having a personal computer back home, so I used to do Mavis Beacon, used to learn how to type. It's like I was a little bit fluent with the typing when it comes to those lessons.
I've been wondering how come day in day out these apps that we use, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, all those mobile software that come. I wonder how I assemble things and then they make things work, and we, the end users, are interested in using them. Because today in the whole world, there's nobody who doesn't know WhatsApp.
I found out about DWTA. I was online searching for schools to attend, like list of IT schools in Ghana. And then I saw Accra Technical. Then to my surprise, I saw DWTA as listed as part of the IT schools in Ghana. So I decided to opt out for it because I know about the Accra Technicals, the IPMC and the stuff. But since DWTA was there, I decided to try it out and see. I have not regretted ever since joining. Because it looks like literally every day they try to break down concepts for us to understand. I haven't regretted yet. I like the way studies are going. If you don't understand anything and you ask for clarification, they give it to you. So I like the way. No, I've not had any hiccups. Just free.
Learning isn't just about books and theories. It's about experience, collaboration, and an environment that pushes you to grow. At DevWorld Tech Academy, Emmanuel didn't just find a school. He found a family. From engaging lessons to group discussions, from hands-on projects to teamwork, Every day felt like an opportunity to build something new. And let's talk about the teaching style, because here, learning is fun, interactive, and deeply rewarding. Oh, and it's not all about work. There were some unforgettable moments too. One of Emmanuel's favorites, a class session that ended with a pizza treat, making it a truly amazing experience for him.
Joining the WTA has exposed me to many things. The environment, the way teaching and learning goes on. It's not only about, because in the tech world, it's about exploring and it's about practicing. So when you don't explore and practice, there's no way you get to the standard where you want to get. So ever joining the WTA, they have made us to understand that it's all about exploring and then you make it to the top. So in my life, it has made me not to be stagnant at one place, but maybe I try all avenues available for me to be able to grow up the way I want to grow up. Yes, so DWTA has really shaped my career and my style of thinking. Our teacher is one of the very best. Sometimes in her kindness, there's weakness. She's kind. Missing is someone that I like the way sometimes she please us, not as if she's pumping us, but she gives us her face of everything. You just need to know that tomorrow when you're working somewhere, the clients don't need your excuses. So Missy doesn't tolerate excuses. She doesn't tolerate that. So she's being hard on us sometimes which is me soft. So that's why I call her kindness, there is wickedness.
I'm able to think so many ways of studying. Back then in school, we study alone because most of those kind of business students, most of them really think when you know it for yourself. You don't need to teach people. It's like you are learning everything on your own. As I come here, I'm able to. I'm saying that group learning. Sometimes personal studies is important, but I think the group thing boosts morale and then helps you to really learn more. So those are some of the things that I've come to realize here. I think as part of it, it's a good thing.
We've encountered numerous projects as students of DWTA. So I think the best part of it is where we get to create designs, movie posters on our own using our images and working on other projects as well. I think so far so good. I was more interested in the poster because I haven't done that before. So
I like the fact that when you are being taught and maybe you don't really get much deeper understanding, it's being repeated to you as much as many times you ask. Whereby maybe there are some other places where maybe you don't understand something and you get to ask, then the person just gets annoyed because he doesn't understand why you are saying you don't understand. And so far so good. That's some of the best moments I've enjoyed so far, because practically sometimes I don't really get to understand, but when you ask over and over again, you decide to break it down for you to understand. So I'm cool with that. The best moment in my life at DWTA was when we took a test and they said those who had a pass mark were going to eat pizza, and lo and behold, the pizza was brought and we ate. I was very happy. I didn't know it was going to be serious. I thought it was just a C. So when we were done with the test, and then in the rest moments, they brought the pizza and we had a share of it. Also, it wasn't a dream.
From web development to graphic design, from databases to Python programming, Emmanuel's skill set has skyrocketed. He came in as a student, but today, he's becoming an IT professional. And speaking of Python, let's clear this up once and for all. No, it's not a snake. But I'll let Emmanuel explain that one himself.
Python is used to build websites and web applications. You build websites and web applications. So it's essential. So without that, there's no way you can achieve or be able to build that kind of app, because Python is is one of the popular programming languages. So there are other programming languages, but Python is one of the popular. So you need to learn that one to be able to help you to be able to build your web app. So that's what Python means. It's not a snake. Python is not a snake.
So far, so good. I've been able to pick up a whole lot of things because when we came, they made us understand that this was just the first session was introduction. I think we've learned a whole lot of stuff. Like a whole lot of stuff was being learned. So I think it's all good. It's all good because I haven't even started the main reason why I came there. I was looking at the basics they gave us. I think it's a good thing.
Oh yeah, there are other things they taught me. So more likely to be specific based on the particular course that I applied for being web developing. So I've been able to learn some of these programming languages. That is a Python, how to create a web page. That is HTML and CSS. I've been able to learn those stuff as well.
I have a lot of things to say about DWTA. They are reliable, they are friendly. When it comes to the administration, down to the teachers, down to the surroundings, everybody around them. They are cool people. Talk to them. You can reach them anytime to understand something. When you ask them, they'll give you more clarifications. So it's a good environment within DWTA. They are not that stressful. Like you ask something, be like, oh, come on. No, they are the free type. They try to express themselves. So like, we are all here to learn. And they're also trying to make a better product out of us. So audience out there, I would encourage everybody to enroll in DWTA.
Technology isn't just about coding. It's about impact. It's about solving problems, creating solutions, and making life better for everyone. Emmanuel believes technology should be accessible to all, whether in business, education, healthcare, or beyond.
Well, right now, we are advancing into the technological world. I don't think it will limit some people and some people the upper hand. Because now when we take a look at the agriculture industry, during those days, they used to take farms, their satellite and other things. But now today, technology has made it possible that they use combined applications. It means working more and they get more. So I don't think and the limited and they all need the higher partner technology to make their way very fast.
I would just like to encourage everybody out there that something that takes years or things that takes years that people always talk about have a date started. So if you start now, the better for you and be recognized in the coming years. Because things don't just stand up and they happen, but everything has a date started. So if you start today, tomorrow you also see yourself somewhere.
Let's talk about some IT misconceptions. People think web developers are just out there making easy money. But is that really the case? And do all web developers actually know how to build what they claim they can? Well, let's hear from a web developer.
A web developer, is a computer science professional, creates and maintains software applications and websites. There are people out there who say they are web developers, but when you give them the real job right now, then they are turning to something else. So you need to make sure the work matches the name. Yeah, so in a few months' time, we are hoping and praying that I'm also good at it and also be called a web developer.
No great journey is without challenges. Learning web development requires dedication, problem solving, and perseverance. Emmanuel knows this all too well, but here's what makes him different. While most people fear exams, he believes they're overhyped. For him, learning is about understanding, not just passing. That mindset is what sets him apart. Looking back, Emmanuel sees how much he has grown. His confidence has soared, his skills have sharpened, and his mindset has evolved. And what's next? A future where he becomes a web developer who makes DevWorld Tech Academy proud wherever he goes. And for anyone thinking about joining the IT world, Emmanuel has a message for you.
I don't know. It's just because of the way they had examination. That's what makes people think it's scary, but it's not scary. Right now, I acquired skills in how to write code, programming languages or codes, and I've also acquired the skills in data management. That is what we call the SQL, where means the structured query language, how to enter databases. I've also acquired knowledge on that. Then the last one would be for the graphic design.
I just want to see myself as a product of DWTA and also a successful person, or having hands joined with a company, being a successful person. And then when they ask, oh, where did you school? And I'll be like, oh, I schooled at DWTA. My advice to other students out there, I would like to encourage everybody to come to DWTA, because we don't just look at the theoretical aspect of education, but we look at dealing with real projects, working on real projects. Because the world has always been like, or when it comes to African continent, it has always been like, you go and read, the steps, and then later when they give you the real job, then you start family, you don't know what to do. But when it comes to DWTA, they are trying to get us the thorough meaning. After teaching us the theoretical aspect, they make sure that we deal with real projects, work on real projects, to make us a whole package on our own. It didn't be like, everything off head, and you are given the task to do, in the area you can't do anything. So I would advise the audience to come to the WTA, because they encourage, they teach us, and also throw us into the field to work on real projects. Yes, they teach us to do real projects. Yeah, that's what advice I would like to give to them.
From a curious mind to a confident web developer, Emmanuel's journey is proof that when passion meets the right learning environment, magic happens. DevWorld Tech Academy has not only shaped his skills, but has given him a platform to thrive, to explore, and to dream bigger than ever before.